Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on your Infiniti G35. This easy method will save you time and money. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft towel to protect your windshield during the process. It's a straightforward task that anyone can do with just a few simple steps. Once you've lifted the wiper arm, you'll see a small tab or button where the blade connects. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. Be very careful when the blade is removed. Never let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the windshield, as it could cause damage. Gently lower the arm onto your protective towel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more tips. On another note, while keeping your car clean, why not upgrade home cleaning too? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is fantastic for pet hair and voice control. It's a great way to keep things tidy. Find the product link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Repeat this process for the other wiper. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.